Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This morning I'll be taking you on a journey of how eja yíyan, aka smoked fish, is made, popularly called malaye in Lagos State, Nigeria. This is the full process of how it is done. This is how it came directly from the box. That is how it came from the cold room. So yes, she's trying to sort it out. Just ignore the background. That is how the place she makes it looks like. So this is how it is straight from the box. So she's trying to remove it one at a time without breaking it. So that's what she's trying to do here. Flies and fish. She's trying to remove it gently because it is frozen. It is iced block. Trying to remove it one at a time. So after some minutes, this is how far she has gone, trying to bring out the fish one at a time. So I think while she was removing it, she was trying to sort it according to its size. So that's what she's doing. I think that's what she's doing. So she's at this point she's calculating, counting, doing the sorting, removing the one that has broken, because once they break, she cannot sell it anymore. She said nobody is going to buy it. That's why she tries as much as possible to remove it gently, so that even if anything is going to break, it's not going to be too much. So here she's just counting, she's sorting for some people that want to buy fresh. She understand what I mean? Some people want to buy fresh, so she's sorting out for those of them, for those set of people. She's sorting the size at the same time removing the broken ones. That is what she's doing right now. So yeah, she's counting, doing the calculations. I understand what's happening, because she said that box of fish costs 18,000 naira. So if she does not count and sort very well before she starts smoking, she might not make a gain, because some people come to buy even before the fish is ready. So that is what she's doing here. She's counting it, she's calculating it, knowing how much she's going to sell. If it is 2 for 500, 3 for 500, 3 for 400, and so on like that. So that is what she's counting. And now she's putting it inside water so that it will be soft for her to be able to fold. So she'll be able to bend it and fold it. You get it? Keep watching. So yeah, she started folding. She's folding her fish. At the same time, one of her customers was around pricing the broken ones from her. So that's what she's doing. See how she gently bends the fish. She gently bends it over and puts the tail into its mouth without. She doesn't secure it with anything. No broom, no matchstick, nothing. She just bends it into the mouth and make sure it is well secured. So that is how she does it. She just bend it gently. Just take a good look at her. Yeah, she just bends it gently. Yeah, just put it into its mouth and boom, she's good to go. And I was asking her how long she has been in this business, and she said she has been in the business for close to 5 years, but that was what her mother was doing while she was growing up. So she learned it from her mom, and she said it's a very lucrative business since it is what people eat and what people buy often. People have really underestimated this fish before, but due to the recession and the hike in price of everything, people are beginning to buy this more than they used to buy. Though again, it's not as much as it used to be, because there was a time she was buying this particular pack of fish for 13,500. Now it is 16,000. It is 18,000 naira rather. So she said the gain has reduced, but they still make their gain out of it because people now patronize them more than before. Because you know, a kilo of titles now is around 2,000 naira. So if you buy this and you are almost getting the same thing for 2,000 naira. So I think that's why people now buy this. And it tastes really, really good. It is highly flavorful. I don't know why people really underestimated it before, but now due to Sakpa that is in the country, people now buy this more. And while I was there, some were coming for 2,000, some were coming for 3,000, some were coming for 1,005. So she says she sells this particular one a day, and she makes sure she smokes every day. She understands. She smokes every day, and this one she will sell. She will finish selling by the end of the day. So that is just the little history behind our own business. So here we are at the fireplace. This is how their drum looks like, what they use to smoke it. Here she's trying to light the fire locally. She doesn't want to add kerosene to it, so she just uses this nylon and matches box to light the fire. So that's what she's doing. She will gently add light to the tip of the nylon so that it can catch fire, and boom, fire came out. And this is the sawdust they use. It doesn't really require much fire, it requires smoke. That's why they call it smoked fish. You get it? So once the fire comes up very well, she will add water to it, then start adding the sawdust to it so that it can start bringing out smoke instead of this fire. She doesn't really need fire, all she needs is smoke. Yeah. So this is the wire they use to arrange the fish on it. So she'll be arranging the fish any moment from now. She's trying to, just like an oven, she's trying to eat everything up. So yeah, she's arranging a fish. She's taking her time to layer it so that it can contain as much as possible. Because she said she's going to smoke that particular pack of fish 3 times before she finishes it up. So that is what she's doing. According to her, she said it's a very lucrative business if you can do it and if you feel the smoke won't affect you, because at a point in time she was very sick due to the smoke. That was when she first of all started. She said she had serious cough due to the smoke and eye issue, but as time goes on, I think she got adapted to it, and she's doing well with her business according to her, and at least she's feeding herself since there was nobody aside God. So yeah, she covered it up, and she will allow it smoke for like 45 minutes on each side. But I'll be giving you little expo of how it goes each time she tries to flip it up. So you understand. So she doesn't allow it stay a very long time on one particular type except 45 minutes. And yeah, putting the sawdust into it. You can see that she doesn't really need fire. All she wants is smoke. She wants it to bring out enough smoke. Now smoke she wants, so it's smoke she's going for. She's trying to use the sawdust to off the fire, and the sawdust is a bit wet. So at this point, she has flipped over. She has flipped over. I just did. She just flipped over, and she's adding another set of. So at the end of the day, this is how it looked like. This is how the smoked fish look like. This set are still on the fire. She wants them to dry up a bit, then that's what she's doing. So this is how panla fish, smoked panla fish is made directly from those that make it themselves. It is cheaper to buy from people like this because they can sell 40 pieces to you.